Hey guys, welcome to my email magic review. My name is Keiron Hogg, and in this email magic review, I'm going to show you how you can build up your email list, get it more read, get more engagement, and ultimately get more sales. As you do know, the money is in the list, so I'm going to show you everything there is with email magic. We've got preview that I can show you right here. Also guys, my bonuses that I have collected really complement it, and they're all geared towards building your email list in one way or another, so you don't want to miss out on those. Plus a mega bonus bundle, which has been revamped with 270 bonuses from everything under the sun to make money online. And guys, if you stick around to the end and you do like this product, I have an extra treat for you. So let's get to it. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, you guys. This is my channel where I do product reviews and also educate you on how to make money online. This is my bonus page, guys. Also, this product is going to be going live on February 12th. Now it says 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is an unusual time. I've been checking the launch time to see if it has actually launched as I'm doing this, and it hasn't. So I don't know if that's a typo or what, but it's at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, New York time. It's being launched by Prasant, and the front end is going to be $17. All right. So guys, let me just show you. This is the heading here: Email Magic finally revealed. Email hacks that generate newbies' weekly sales. I just plopped 10 years worth of information, knowledge and experience, and some pretty decent secrets too. So you're going to be learning, even if you don't have an email list right now, or if you're just starting out, this is going to help you grow it, especially when we get into my bonuses. So guys, I've just quoted a couple of things from his sales page here. So email rates are dropping, right? Wrong. Those who say that don't know how to use emails, all right? How to market using emails. This is an easy to read PDF program that is going to show you the ins and outs of emails, which get open, read, reads, and also get clicked. Now you can also use emails without being salesy, all right? So there's a fine line, and even I've had problems with myself, I would say, from sometimes sounding a little bit salesy, not trying to, but just it comes off that way sometimes. So there's a delicate balance, if you will. All right, so this is a no fluff, only meat and potatoes PDF that tells you exactly how to go about drafting and copywriting your emails, even if you're starting from zero and have no idea where to begin. So you're gonna learn how to start emailing your list from zero, how to consistently get your emails opened, how to get people to read your emails, and major mistakes to avoid, all right? So imagine, so if this feels like what you're looking for, then this program is gonna be for you. Imagine what having the power to sell using emails can do for you. So freedom from traffic, paid traffic that is, and cash generating on tap. Now here is the funnel, guys. There's only one upsell, which I will get into in just a moment, but I want to take you now to my bonuses that I think really complement email magic. So the first one is called Email Profit Builders. There's also going to be some tips and tricks in here that you can use to help build that email up faster. How to build an email list easily. Again, this is a personal bonus that I recorded just for you, so it's going to show you a very simple way to be able to add to your email list. And guys, top 5 email marketing tips from a 7-figure marketer. So just don't take my word for it. This is a 7-figure marketer, and he's going to show you how you can actually build up your email list faster too. And how to create money-making headlines. This is one I recorded for you, that you can take some ideas from this and build that interest, build that curiosity, build that intrigue to build up your list. And guys, my 270 amazing bonuses for free.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll call you back. Thank you.
Come on! Come on!
This has everything there is to make money online, and with affiliate marketing, you're going to be getting video tutorials, PDFs. You're going to learn how to expand using free traffic. You're going to learn all about different social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, even more, how to do blogs if you're interested in that, email marketing. There's also PDFs and videos in here about that. You're going to be getting other ways to make money online, print on demand, real estate, crypto, WordPress. If you're interested in creating websites, there's WordPress plugins and also how-tos in here as well. So this is filled with loads and loads of material that's going to help you. All right. Sorry guys, no vendor bonuses, I believe. So that should not be in there. Now, to get these bonuses, so all you're going to want to do is click on any of these buttons here, and it's going to take you to the sales page. And if I just take you down to the bottom here, you're going to be click add to cart. That's going to take you to Warrior Plus. It's going to look like this, and this button here, you will click that, and then you're going to have them all here waiting for you. So all my vendor bonuses, if I just take you to my mega bonus bundle, I'll just show you the insane amount of value that you're going to be getting in here as well. Oh yeah, there's also Amazon, FBA, drop shipping. There's other loads and loads and loads of other things here. Some really high quality bonuses. Some are just mediocre, but a lot of these are really fantastic. All right, you guys. So look, we've got 55 pages of bonuses there. Let me take you to the sales page here. Oh, actually, guys, let me take you to, this is a preview that Prasant gave me. Now, this is just the introduction, basically, not the actual training. So here's an introduction. He's talking about if social media is a cocktail party, then email marketing is the meet me for coffee, the original one-to-one channel. That is a quote by Eric Harbinson, a famous email marketer. Okay, so do you know why emails sell so well? It's because of your reader's intent. What is your reader's intent, you ask? So we get into the psychology of what the reader's intent is. And here's some examples. An unexpected challenge. The small guy wins. So he's talking about his own experiences here. Do not interrupt your readers. So you're going to get all of this kind of information, and then I don't have the actual meat of it, as if you will, the meat and potatoes of it. So this is just the introduction. You'll be getting all of the ways to actually capitalize on building that list. But again, with everything that I'm offering you, by the end of all of this, you will have tons and tons of knowledge on how to really crush it with email marketing. Okay, guys, I want to take you to the price and the upsells. So here it is. There is only one upsell, so the price is going to be $17. You're going to get everything that I just mentioned, the PDF of Email Magic, and of course all of these email profit builders, how to build an email list easily, top 5 email marketing tips from a 7-figure marketer, how to create money-making headlines, and of course my mega bonus bundle. Now guys, if you are busy, or if you'd like to listen to, if you're just a person that learns from audio, maybe you want to be driving in your car and listening to this on the side, then you can get the OTO1, where it has been recorded. All the information from the PDF has been recorded to MP3 file format, so you can get that as an option if you like. And guys, just to sum up, this is easy to learn for beginners. You're gonna learn how to start email marketing from zero, how to consistently get your emails open, how to get people to read your emails, and of course, what not to do. Okay, my friends, so if you are new to affiliate marketing, making money online, or if you are kind of in the early stages and you want to really beef up that email list, my bonuses and Email Magic are going to help you along the way. Plus, like I said, you're going to get heaps and heaps of value related to making money online and affiliate marketing, plus so much more with this particular bonus right here, guys. You've got plenty of time. You've got 6 days, 18 hours as I'm doing this, so you don't have to act right away, but you can think about it. And if you have any questions, of course, you can hit me up. And if you have any questions about making money online, you can also hit me up. And guys, if you are looking for something that can make you money without you having to do any work, I am a new member of this program. It costs about as much as one coffee a month. And the 7-figure affiliate does all of the work for you. It's fantastic. If you want to learn more about that, you can just DM me on Facebook. Just say yes, and I'll tell you all about it. It is awesome. So that is another way that you can consider making money online. But this is also something that you can use as well. All right, you guys, please give me a like. Hit that bell so you're always notified. If you have any questions, either hit me up on Facebook or comment down below. I'm also on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. This is my channel. You can subscribe to my channel, Keiron Hogg Marketing. And just, I wish you the best of luck. I appreciate your time. I hope this gives you value. And just let me know if you have any questions. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.